Hey guys, so right here I have a 2000 Lexus sc300 cluster that I was taking out of my car to replace some of the bulbs, and I was specifically hoping I could put LED bulbs for the dimming lights and stuff for this to light up. So in the car itself, there's only 4 screws. You have one up here, and the 2 at the bottom. There's tons of videos on how people take these out from like the early models from like 92 to 96 and so on, but as I was watching those videos, turns out when you turn to the back, we have a late model sc300, late model sc400. The entire layout is different. Even when taking this apart, you actually don't have like those 3 clips that they talk about in those videos. And from what it looks like, the actual dimming lights and all that like turn on with the car are actually soldered in based on just what I'm seeing from right here. The lights work right now, so I'm not gonna bother taking this apart until they start failing and I can't see the cluster anymore. But I have not been able to find anything on forums about these late model clusters. So if anyone has an idea or a link or something that I can see, please send me a message or a DM or anything to the channel, and that'd be great. Thank you.